Today I'm going to be reviewing Motomy volleyball training equipment. This is the ValleyPal Master Kit plus the cards. I want to thank Motomy for sending me this to review. All right, here is the inside of the box. This is the full volleyball gift set. This includes everything you need: the serve trainer, setting strap, spike trainer, the drawstring bag you can see here, travel bag, the gift box if you want to keep that, the 45 printed training cards. And it also does come with digital training packs. So there's 3 ebooks, some demo videos, everything you need. These cards I'm going to go over a little bit here in a second, but it will help you practice. This is what actually holds the ball for practicing serving. It's going to attach to the belt that you see up here, and I'm going to show some pictures also. And then you've got this spike trainer, and this is going to allow you to practice spiking the ball. Really good idea. You can see in this picture all the different things that you can do. Here are the cards that you get. You get 45 of these, and there's multiples of each one, and they all give you things that you can practice with. So you can take a few cards with you to practice, and it just makes it easy for training. And remember, you also get those 3 ebooks. Finally, I want to go over the durability, the emulsion cords that this has. They're resistant to wear and tear. They retain stretch for repeated uses, which of course you're going to want if you're spiking the ball, hitting the ball. It's a non-slip surface for better handling, withstands moisture and dirt outdoors, enables smooth, efficient ball return, which is what exactly you need when you're practicing. Also, it's made with 3000X neoprene and reinforced seams. This does very well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars. It's got 426 ratings. So it does really well on Amazon. This is an Amazon choice, which is also really good to know, meaning people are buying this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.